Hey guys, so we have a really exciting initiative that I want to tell you about that's been inspired by a lot of our brides. One in particular, who's also a dear friend of mine, Dara, who is a healthcare worker at one of New York's busiest hospitals. Hearing stories I'm sure you guys have also seen on the news, really scary stuff in terms of the shortages of protective gear for our healthcare workers being exposed to people with the viruses all day, every day. I mean, basic things like face masks and gowns. And for me, in particular, thinking about the supply chain, it's super surprising given the size and infrastructure of healthcare in America. It is extremely developed. It just seems crazy that there's this type of breakdown. The flip side of that is one of our workshop partners in China who makes wedding dresses for Anomalie has said that there are manufacturers and suppliers of these type of CDC recommended face masks that are looking for customers and looking for ways to get in touch with hospitals and people that need it. So we're really happy that we've got these direct ties with some of these suppliers in China and feel like we can step in and actually help bridge these connections right now. So 2 requests. 1, if you know people of need, and I know there's a lot, please fill out the Google form, fill it out in terms of your hospital contacts, and we will try to get as many of these masks moving just as fast as we can. 2, if you have any extra cash right now that you want to donate, we're going to be looking for donations to help fund just the working capital to get this started. If there's any money left over, we'll donate it to healthcare workers or wherever we can see the biggest need. But this just seems like an area that we can really step up and step into right now, given our really close ties with our manufacturers in China. Thanks so much for your help too.